Hi everyone, I've got a Volvo V50 here on a 2011 plate. Just done a service, so as you can see they're booked time for service. I'm going to show you how to reset. If I put the keys onto position 1, immediately press this button here, hold this button, put it into position 2. Now I'll have the exclamation mark in the middle here, will be flashing. And I let go of this. Engine system service required. Press the button. Or maybe click it when it's on something, and then switch the ignition off, switch the ignition back on. Let's see if the service light comes back on. There we go, the service light's reset. That's what you have to do. So what you want to do is first switch the ignition on to position 1, immediately press this button here, and then switch it on to position 2. When the exclamation mark in the middle starts flashing, you let go of the button, you'll hear a beep noise. That means the service is reset. That's all you got to do on your car as well. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.